G'day everyone, welcome back to Wayne's Diecast Cars. In this video we are going to have a look at this Xcar Toys Pop Race Nissan Skyline GTR V8 drift car hakosuka. Let's create your own race world now. It's number S1902. And good luck if you can read anything on the back there. So ages 14 plus, I should say. Okay, let's get this out. Feels fairly heavy. Wow, that's nice. Very nice. Looks very good. Where's my little pointer? There it is. Yeah, that's nice. Sort of a chrome, kind of a dark, I don't know, it's like a dark chrome. Hard to describe, really. You can see there, the reflection of the fan up there. Nice, very nice. Does the, I think it should open this way, I think it does. If it does, yes, there we go. You can see the V8 in there. It's not bad. Not a lot of detail. I wouldn't normally display it with the bonnet open. I'd always display it with the bonnet closed. It sort of looks the best that way. But the front end looks really good. It looks like it's lensed headlights. Got the GTR there on the grille. Got the big wheel arch flares there. We have an indicator here. Mirrors on the guards. Those wheels look very good. I don't know. Yeah, there we go. That's sort of focus here as far as I can see. What have we got? Advan on the tyres there, and Yokohama too, I think. I think it says Advan there. Not quite sure. Side exit exhaust. And then we can just see here, whether you can see it on video or not. I don't know whether it's focusing properly. I'm looking at it with my glasses. I'm sort of looking at the car, not necessarily the camera. We've got Pandem here on the door. Again on the back, nice wide wheel arch flare there. And again, very nice rim. Same, this roll cage in here, I'm not too thrilled about. It sort of sits down a little further than what it should. It was the same on the other Pop Race Skylines as well. They do sit down a bit too far. But I guess if you sort of look past that and not add it too much, window, it all looks good here. And then interior, there's a bit of light there. So I don't know whether that helps or not, but you can see the bucket seats in there. They do have some details on them. Parcel shelf up the back. There's yeah, got a bit of detail in there. Roll cage. So I don't know if that helps with the colour at all, but yeah, it looks really good. And on the back here, I don't know, does this, yeah, it does. So I've got rear mounted radiator. You can see, let me. So we can see, yeah, rear mounted radiator and obviously some fuel system stuff in there. And can we see through? No. So it's not well, it would be mesh on that boot there in the real car, but here it's just all black. You can't see through it. But everything else does have a wing on the boot there. But everything does look pretty good here. And the tail lights look good. The bumper. Yeah, very nice model. Underneath we can see the two side exiting exhausts. And then we've just got pop brace here, made in China. Base is screwed on, so if you wish to modify it, you could. Front tyres are thinner than the back ones. Yes, they are. Oh. No, they're the same. Same wheels back and front. Or are they? The backs do look a little wider. But then... no, I think they are wider than the fronts. But yeah, very nice looking model, that. Just let me get that on the turntable. There we go, I've got that sitting on the turntable there now, spinning around. I just gave it a wipe off as well, it looks a bit better with a wipe. But yeah, I think I'm very happy with that one. I may add the other ones to it. I think there was an Advan one and a couple of others. I think the purple one. Definitely rolls good. Very smooth. Yeah, so overall, if you're thinking about getting one, I would definitely get one. I think they are quite nice. A good one to add to the collection of premium diecast in 164. So check out the other videos that are popping up on the screen right now, and we will see you all on the next video. Bye bye for now.